Welcome back to Diane's World. Today I am going to show you how to make chocolate covered raisins. This time we will be using pink chocolate. For this you are going to need raisins, pink chocolate, a fork or anything else to mix your chocolate. You will also need a mixing bowl. Cut the chocolate into smaller chunks to make it easier to melt. If you do not have pink chocolate, you can use white chocolate and add some coloring to it. Pour the chocolate into a bowl. You can either place the chocolate in the microwave or you can melt it over hot water like I am doing here. You can change the water multiple times to make sure it remains consistently hot enough to melt your chocolate. Patiently mix the chocolate until it is smooth and there are no longer any lumps in there. Once the chocolate is completely melted, we are going to cover the raisins in them completely. Use the fork to lift out the chocolate covered raisin and gently place it on a non-stick surface. Be careful to tap off any excess chocolate. Once all the raisins are covered in chocolate, I usually pop them in the freezer for just a few minutes or until the chocolate has hardened. At this point, the chocolate should easily come off the surface. You can repeat the same process for milk chocolate, white chocolate, and make some very interesting variations. And that's all it takes to make your own chocolate covered raisins at home. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.